Let's make a bath bomb from the Miniverse Spa series. This is wave 2. And this is the Yuzu bath bomb. We're going to add 16 to 19 drops of the liquid, mix the powder in, add some more powder, fill it up. It has like pictures, and I always recommend completely reading over this fully before you try to do any of this. And then it's supposed to be pretty warm water in order to make it fizz. I think in the past maybe my water wasn't hot enough to make it really fizz, but it comes with the bath bomb molds. And then every spa series comes with one of these to put over the tub. And there's also little feet that clip in here to make it into a tub. It's really cute. Fizzy powder, 2 packets of that. We have stickers on the back. I don't think we had that last time. Bath bomb base, it looks like maybe just shows ingredients. Okay. And then we have 2 of the bath bomb colorants, or the powder. Also have the Yuzu scent and a wooden container to display them in when we get done. These are the feet for the tub, a spatula to mix, the dropper, and lastly, our bowl and our loofah should be in here. Oh, nice. Haven't seen this color before. We get a lot of like pink, purple, teal, but this time it's a bright yellowish loofah, and it's very soft. Adorable. Okay, the first step is to add 16 to 19 drops of this. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 14, 15, 16. We're gonna do 17. I don't remember, oh, maybe I did measure it last time. It's been a while since I made one of the bath bombs. So I can't remember if the instructions are different this time around. I feel like they are, but my memory is not good. So then next it shows adding the bath bomb powder. You can tell because it has the color in the picture here. So we're adding 1 of these. And then you have an extra set to make more, which is nice. So let's add that. And once we have all the color in there, we're going to mix it. It's a pretty yellow. Okay, so then it just says to mix. Doesn't tell you how much. It's clumping together pretty easily because it's wet, so I would say that's probably good. Now we're going to add 1 of these. This is the stuff that's going to make it fizz. These instructions, I don't really know what it's trying to tell us here. That you need to fill it up higher? Not quite sure. I have made bath bombs in real life, and they are difficult. I also have another channel where I do all sorts of bath bomb demos, and a lot of those bath bombs have stuff hidden inside. In the past, I've done ones with toys or money inside, but lately I do them and they have jewelry. So a lot of rings, necklaces, that kind of stuff. They're very addicting. Now, I assume we're going to mix this until everything's well incorporated and the colors are kind of blended in. You don't see chunks of yellow and white necessarily. So this could take a moment. Just take your time. I've stirred it really well, managed to spill some, so I think we're ready. Okay, so you're gonna hold the bottom and just start filling it. And according to the picture, you want the powder to come above this. You want it heaping so that when you press it down, it will form a ball, but you don't necessarily want to like pack it in here as you're doing it. I mean, maybe like a little bit, but not really. Let's see if that's enough. We should probably do it over a bigger bowl so you're not making a big mess. You could kind of capture it. Let's see. So we're going to put it in. Squeeze. And you're supposed to leave it like this for 60 minutes. I just want to at least see. Yeah, I think it's full enough. So that's one. I'm going to set that over there and do the second one. And honestly, I don't really get why we wait 60 minutes because it's sealed, so it's not like it can dry any. But we will follow the instructions because we're rule followers over here. And at the end of this, once you take it out, it says you can repeat it 1 to 9 times. Oddly specific, but yet not at the same time. This is probably enough powder. Yeah, I don't know if you could quite make another one with this. I have the urge to like pack it down, but I remember doing that last time and I feel like it then came apart. So, all right, that one looks good. I might put the lid over this. I don't know that it'll dry out. Ooh, no, you know what I'm gonna do? Let's try to press them into here and make a different kind of bath bomb. Let's see, let's try a seashell or flower. Seashell. We'll try that. If we have enough to make one of each, I will, but I'm not quite sure of that. And I'll just let this sit on the counter. I'll pack this in really well. And then that, I feel like, is gonna, you know, kind of dry because it's exposed to air. So we'll see. And then I could, yeah, I think I'll heat up some water, like run it through the Keurig, and then we'll throw them in the tub. Why not? That'll be fun. So we have one in here that's packed down pretty good. Let's see if I could salvage any of that. I don't know if I have faith in that, but we're gonna find out. If yours crumble, I know that's a bummer because you want them as a circle, but you could still use it as like bath powder and dump it in there and have it fizz. My daughter likes that. She used the sugar scrubs from the first wave, and once those jars were empty, we put bath bomb powder in there, and she uses that to give her dolls fake baths. Okay, let's try to do one of those little flowers in the middle. And I think we'll have enough to do that. Whether they're gonna work, we don't know. I wonder if it would be better to freeze these like we did with the soaps. You'll have to leave me any comments or suggestions if you did any trial stuff like this to see if it would work. Okay, that was like perfect amount to make 2 bath bombs. Probably would have made 3. And then we use the molds to make another one. I'm not very hopeful, but I'll be back in 60 and we'll figure it out. It's been an hour, and per usual, I have questions. So it shows like an exclamation, almost like caution. So are we not supposed to twist it? We're just supposed to lift it out? I get this part though, you push out with your finger. But I feel like if we're not supposed to twist it, they should have put like a big X through it. I don't know. We're just gonna lift it off, see what happens. I did kind of twist it when I crushed it down. I don't even need to push out with my finger. It is right there. Cute. Now I've had them come out cute like this before, but then when I try to pick them up, they crumble. That one seems to be doing good. We're gonna set it over here. Try the other one. And then we'll also try the ones we put in the molds too. Okay, now that one's in there, so we're gonna gently push it down. There we go. They do smell good. Yeah, that one actually, it kind of smells like cleaner, like lemon cleaner, which I mean is a good smell. Let's see if that one comes up. How cute. Yeah, that worked. Also, I had one more spa that I just found, and oh no, that one's not gonna work. I just saw it bend. It's gonna crumble, yeah. Crumble, crumble. At least one of them worked. What was I saying? Oh, I opened the last spa one, so I have another bath bomb to make, and I also got the really cool soap one I wanted. So I still don't have the cactus one, that one's neat, but there's one that has a cloud and rainbows. I did find that one, so we'll be doing those. Let's go ahead and get the water heated up, and we'll drop this in. Okay, let's drop one in. This is hot water, very hot water. I put some in the microwave. Ran it through the Keurig first, but then the water had like specks of coffee in it, so yeah, that fizz is pretty good. And oh, you see it jumping? That's so cute. Did it dissolve already? There's a little tiny bit left right there. Now I think it's done. That's cute, and it's a little frothy on top, just like a real bath bomb. And it smells good, I can smell it. Adorable. Let's put that other little piece in too. Ready, go. So one packet probably would make 3, or you can make smaller ones like that. And then we still have that whole other packet. So it's a cute series, and definitely if you don't want your kids playing with resin, then this is a good one for them. A good series to get them. And yeah, get a little bathtub with it. How cute. So I give this one, I'll give it an 8 out of 10, I think. Much better turnout than my previous bath bombs, so that's always a plus. But if you want to see me make another set of bath bombs or some of those shaped soaps, and I still have some Hello Kitty too, so make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.